Well, team, my Project 13, here she is. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, titanium orange, and I gotta tell you, she looks sexy and, yes, bold. This smartphone feels really solid in hand. I love the look. I love the feel. The titanium rails, right, left-hand side, top, bottom, looks and feels great. I'm gonna wait to set her up here after this video is said and done. Gave you a little bit of an unboxing. I know there's not much to work with when it comes to unboxings, but I wanted to do a little something to share my excitement. So hopefully you enjoyed the quick unboxing, and probably try on both of those cases. There is no pre-installed screen protector, so hopefully for those of you that ordered in your S24 Ultra over at the Samsung website, you were able to utilize the $100 that Samsung was giving the consumer to pick up some free accessories. Free meaning that you had $100 to spend. So 2 screen protectors, one for now, one for backup, and got the vegan leather case and the silicone yellow case there. So I had to pick something out. There wasn't much left to choose from. So either way, I'm going to have protection for my investment. But along with these 2 cases, I have many other cases that I'll be reviewing. So I have more than plenty to protect my investment. So stay tuned for a lot of case reviews, a lot. I've already put out a few with a dummy device. The case reviews that I will be putting out going forward will be with the actual S24 Ultra. So yeah, man, I'm super stoked to have this smartphone in-house.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
So before I send in my S23 Ultra, I will be doing some comparisons, taking some pictures, shooting some video. I'll let you know the difference when it comes to performance, functionality, battery life, connectivity, all of those areas that a lot of you want answers to. So stay tuned for that. As far as the look in comparison to each other, side by side, the S23 Ultra is a little bit taller. Now the cameras on the S24 Ultra are supposed to be a little bit larger. I don't know. They pretty much look the same. But at the bottom, as far as the S Pen in design, it's a little more squarish up top of the S Pen than the S Pen on the S23 Ultra. Speaker grill, completely different in design than the speaker grill on the S23 Ultra. The 2 mics at the bottom there on the S23 Ultra and one for the S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is going to be a little bit wider. It definitely feels good in my hand. And 1 mic up top, 2 mics for the S24 Ultra. Yeah, the S24 Ultra is definitely wider. Got that flat display, man. I am digging that. I really am. There's really nothing wrong with a minimalistic curve on a smartphone, but man, I'm always going to choose a flat display over a curved display. I'm gonna get my Google Pixel 8 Pro here. The S24 Ultra is definitely larger, not by a lot, just by some. Wow, look at that. Now I'm using my OnePlus Open to shoot this video in 1080p 60 frames per second, so please let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. Okay, so what we want to do is try on one of these cases, or both of the cases. I'll do that. God, look at that. Jeez, take it easy, man. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Getting too excited over here. Got some flex. actually feels really nice. It's very firm. Wow. Okay. Gotta look good on video. So definitely a lot of lip with this silicone case from Samsung. All the way around the flat AMOLED display. I definitely would recommend putting on one of these if you got one from Samsung, or if you're going to purchase over at Amazon or wherever you're going to pick up a film or glass protector. I would definitely get that on the display to protect that area, especially when setting down on a surface that's a little bit rough or really rough. If it's really rough, I would really go with glass. But you definitely have a lot of lip to protect that display. And as far as the camera cutouts, they're pretty flush with the cameras. So you can get some camera lens protectors to protect those cameras. There is some depth with these guys over here in the flash. So sitting down like this, I don't recommend it. Okay, unless it's a soft surface, flat surface like that, unless you get some camera lens protectors. Power button. Did it turn off on me? It did, didn't it? That works at least. And it's a nice looking case, but I gotta have a little more protection back here. I think I got some Rinky camera lens protectors that I'm going to put on. So that's going to make a major difference in protecting that area. So power button definitely works. Volume rocker. So that's great. There's your cutouts for the speaker grill, USB Type-C charging port, and you can see the mic to the right of the charging port there. And you'll definitely be able to get your S Pen out of there. And bam, just like that. Yeah, it's a good looking case. All right, let's get a good look at the vegan leather case. Vegan leather. Look at that. That feels really nice. I like that. I really like that. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend some camera lens protectors for those three little guys there. It's just going to be so much better knowing that I'm not going to damage those cameras. Okay, so power button. Yeah, that works great. And volume rocker. Okay. So a lot of lip at the bottom, a lot of lip up top, but not as much lip on the sides. Barely rising above the AMOLED display. If you were to put a glass protector on your S24 Ultra, the glass protector would probably rise above the sides here. So you're definitely going to get more lip with this type of case than you are with the vegan leather case. But you do have some lip up top and at the bottom, so there's definitely going to be a little bit of a gap on each side. Flat surface is a tiny bit rough. With the screen protector, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. But I got to tell you, it looks really, really nice. Yeah, really, really nice. And as far as wireless charging, bam, that was quick. And there's the cutouts. Very nice. Okay, any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. A lot longer of a video than I wanted it to be, but the S24 Ultra is here in-house. The titanium orange, and she is gorgeous and bold. Bam. Yeah, I am digging it. I am stoked to begin the reviewing process. I'll be taking some pictures tomorrow morning on my way to work with these two devices.